In today's video, we are going to show you how to open an XPI file in Mozilla Firefox. An XPI file is a Firefox extension package and it is very easy to open it. Let's begin. Now, the easiest way for you to do it is by drag and dropping the XPI file into your computer. For example, I have this specific XPI file. All I have to do, drag and drop it. It's super simple. Now, what will happen is that it would ask some permissions, and it's up to you if you want to allow extensions to run in private windows. So these are going to be some of the required permissions. And if you are happy with it, I want you to click the add button. It's super simple. Now, you also have the option to pin that specific XPI file into the toolbar. Okay? Now, if you want to check the add-on installed, okay, go back again to the three horizontal lines, go to settings, and go to extensions and themes. Now here at the bottom, go to extensions, and there we have it. And basically, that's how you open an XPI file using the drag and drop method. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.